Volvo XC70 steering wheel angle sensor with airbag with cable ring, spiral ring. So I gonna split it. Here is steering wheel sensor and we will see. So I have opened that. I have marked everywhere position. Took out also that, and most believable problem is here light sensors, light position sensor, and one more is here, very important. You remove that clip and clean those two sensors. Also clean that, but very gently. This one. Here everything opens by screws, so it's no problem. Just is very important. Make markings, alignment. Alignment is also I'm gonna show a little later. So I have cleaned perfect, because here was a little like you see here, if you clean, it's like this. Just make it shiny more, like without fog. Here was those two was with some fog. So now little by little I reassemble it, and here you can see is alignment marks. Here must be this, must be in middle. Now it's little up. After I gonna little screw it so that it go down, and like this. Here is also two marks, you see, here and here, and those splitting, so it's in down there. So, and last step is put this one, uppercase to up. Is also is marks here and here. In here, as I showed, marks is here and they're deeper. Here I make mark in case. So now put that one up. Also adjust that, those three lines. It's straight, just on camera it's not, looks like it's little upper. Here this line must be in between on middle. Okay, and put that cover on and 3 screws back. So, and we will see is it works or not. Maybe it not work also, but we're gonna see. So now reassembled everything. So now set it together with spiral ring and mount in car. And now it was this fault. Now this light is on. Let's try to ignition on. Try to clear fault codes. Okay. Read no fault codes. Try to start car. And yes, still I get this error. Here is no fault codes. Maybe it's because I'm inside the system. Okay. And what you see, nice in outside. And that side is kaput, not working. Finish. Problem is not solved. I think need new This one I not fixed that. So I disassembled once again and resoldered that those. And very strange was when I touch soldering iron, it jumps out from this yellow. I give more heat and after it's melting down. So looks like it was bad soldered joints. All four. So could be one connection was bad. Could be. And attempt number 3. I have disassembled again after I have read some forum. And what I read, some guy have written that if your you must diagnose it before you opening and before you disassemble. If your problem SP light is coming or your degrees on steering wheel in live data disappear in first in one turn, it is those light sensors faulty. If you turn your steering wheel full one turn and you go to like 1.1 and more, and after that coming fault, it's this resistor problem. This resistor must show 190 ohms resistance. I try to show. Wait. So I touching it and it's 193. It's a little bit plus minus, it doesn't matter. And like you holding like that and you must adjust that. Here is plus cross screw, or I use minus screwdriver small. So 193 ohms, or it was 290. So after adjusting, as I have read about it, must be okay, because problem is with that this one, and this adjust that some, I don't know what, but anyway, gonna try it now. Reassemble everything and test drive. Now this moment of once more truth. Okay, clear fault codes. Okay, read no faults, read data stream 10. Okay, and $500 is enough. And 240 is kaput, but works much better than before. Now it stopped. Some way it's go. I maybe must under it 60. Okay. I have too much in the left, so I must turn one in right. Something I missed. But now it was before in left 180 disappearing. Now it's 259. I try to reassemble one more time. And yes, I have reassembled it. And see, I got 500 in one side, and I go other side. Right. It also goes 500. Perfect. So it's very important. It means very important to adjust that resistor 190 ohms. As I say, if your problem comes in first steering wheel turn, it means problem is with with diodes, light sensors. If your problem comes after you turn full one wheel turn, and then so it problem is with that resistor 190 ohms. You must adjust. Finally, nice. Now reassemble everything, all steering wheels, airbags, clear airbag, fault code, and we will see. And after many attempts, I put everything together, and as you see, go to the right. Locked. 5 to 2. Now go to the left. Somewhere here was before stuck. 520. So what it means, 5 to 2. Voila. Now everybody knows how to fix that. Also, what I did, what I didn't say, I have resoldered many with flex cable joints, just resolder, and one place. Also I resoldered all with light sensors on the board, but I don't think that was problem. Problem was adjust that potentiometer. So thanks for watching. If you have Volvo and your ASP light is coming, mostly your steering angle sensor is defective, you buy new, or you can send for me, I repair, send you back, or you buy, or you repair self. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. And after all repairs, I have test drive 20 kilometers with car. Nice, no more problem on steering wheel angle. Works good. So once more I say, it is I have good fixed. Bye bye.